Welcome and congratulations on completing MySQL course. I hope you are now able to create any schema on any case study of any application. So what you need to do? You need to take some scenario or real life example for any application and try to create its database and its table according to the given scenario. When you will be able to do this, what's the next step? Your next step should to learn the basics of any application development like web development and HTML, CSS, PHP, and try to implement the basics database management system. You can use SQL queries in your application development. You can use insert, update, or fetch or delete delete queries in your application. So further step, you can move forward towards advanced development using different platform of mobile and web development. So there are a lot of websites uh, on which you can learn and practice. So here is the link one, that is W3 School, and I will recommend you W3 School. And if you are interested in more detail of SQL, so you can visit my channel, that is Emerald Tech. So on that channel I have also discussed the project in which I have explained the uh, HTML, CSS, and PHP. So you can also visit if you want to do this. So the next is so these all are the links you can visit. So how you can reach to me? uh, you can email your query and you can contact also on LinkedIn. So these all are the links you can visit. It was a good time with you. I hope you enjoy these lectures, and I hope you will recommend these lecture to your friends and fellows, or you can give us any suggestion or a feedback at the end. Congratulations once again, and thank you.